Hey y'all, it is Vlogmas day 21. We are freaking counting down. And I'm so freaking happy because I'm tired of trying to vlog my boring ass life. Like, I don't know. But it's like 4 p.m. trying to find something to eat because I have not eaten all day. But what's new, because I always do this to myself, but I actually want to eat some fruit, so I'm about to put some fruit in this cup. I have some mangoes and some pineapples, and even though my stomach is like growling like I need to eat, I need to put some fruit in my body. And of course I'm lazy, so I already got the fruit cut up. And I have the pineapple cut already too. Y'all, this mango is hard as fuck. Like, it's like I'm biting into a damn apple. That's why I need to stop buying it cut up. I need to buy mangoes myself, let them get ripe, and then do them, because I'm sick of this shit. Like, I'm sick of it. And let me try these pineapples, which pineapples, for the most part, they just did the whole core. Like, this is the whole middle of the pineapple. So I'm just gonna break a piece off and make sure it's still good. I don't want it to go bad. I already had it in the refrigerator for like a week. And that's why I try not to buy fruit until like I'm ready to eat it, because especially during the winter months, like, who the fuck want to be eating cold ass fruit? And it's already cold. Even though I eat ice cream and it be cold also. But I think I'm gonna eat that pineapple and I have a granola bar. I don't know granola bar though. I'm gonna just eat that pineapple and then drink some water. Or a Capri Sun. My car is so freaking junky. I have like bottles of fucking Fiji water and shit. But I don't feel like cleaning it out today. Oh no, I don't feel like cleaning it out. Alright, so I'm in the car, which I probably already showed y'all, but I ate most of those pineapples, but I'm still kind of hungry. I need to go to Walmart, because when I went to Walmart the other day, it was still some stuff that I missed. You know how in your mind you know what you need to buy, but you get kind of sidetracked by shit. So I forgot I need some more grape jelly, and I still haven't found my Fiji water. I need to get some more water. Um, I'm thinking I should just go to Kroger's then, because I know for sure Kroger be having my the Fiji water, and there's no point in me going back to that Walmart, especially they change that damn self checkout. But yeah, I'm not doing anything as usual. I'm in my car at my sister's house waiting for them to pull up. The fuck, you feeling some mud? My son just pulled up on the bike. But I'm gonna have to continue my conversation. I'm gonna have to continue my conversation later. I'm gonna have to continue this conversation later because I'm about to take my son somewhere. But yeah. Let's see what she cooking. Some spaghetti. She always tell me she don't like spaghetti, but she be eating the fuck out of this shit. I'm so freaking hungry. Like, I need to get rid of this double chin. Like, I really need to lose some weight. Duh. I need to lose some weight for real, y'all. Oh shit. Like, I ain't got no neck. And then I got this meat right there. I'm making some Alfredo. And I'm just adding my seasonings in there right now. I do use this brand Alfredo, but I still like add my own secret ingredients into it to doctor it up to make it taste a little better. I'm about to put some Tony's in there. Not too much because you don't want it salty. You know. And then I do add the grated Parmesan in here too, to give it that extra flavor. I do put a lot, y'all. And then I'm gonna let this like simmer on low while I like cut up the chicken and make the chicken. Because making the chicken and shrimp, well, I add the shrimp at the end, but making the chicken is really not. It don't take that long. So I'm gonna let this slow cook for a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn it up high when I'm ready for it to start bubbling.